Welcome to Bike Insight, your trusted source for the latest two-wheel innovations. Today, we dive into the all-new 2026 Honda CRF750L, a dual-sport motorcycle that blends adventure-ready toughness with everyday comfort. Honda has engineered this model to fill the sweet spot between lightweight trail bikes and heavyweight adventure machines. It promises riders a perfect mix of off-road capability and long-distance touring comfort. With this launch, Honda aims to redefine what mid-range adventure bikes can achieve. Design and build. The 2026 Honda CRF750L boasts a rugged yet refined design that reflects Honda's rally racing heritage. Its slim and aerodynamic bodywork enhances maneuverability, while a tall stance ensures excellent ground clearance for rough terrains. The new LED headlight setup and redesigned fuel tank add a more aggressive character to the bike's presence. Honda has also used lightweight materials in the frame to improve agility without sacrificing strength. The overall styling exudes confidence, durability, and purpose-built adventure design. Engine and performance. Powering the CRF750L is a robust 755 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the same platform that powers Honda's latest mid-size lineup. This engine has been fine-tuned to deliver a perfect balance between high-end performance and low-end torque for off-road control. Riders can expect responsive acceleration, smooth gear transitions, and impressive fuel efficiency. The liquid-cooled system ensures consistent performance in varying weather and terrain conditions. Honda has also worked on reducing vibration, offering a smoother and more refined riding experience. Suspension and handling. The bike comes equipped with advanced Showa long-travel suspension, designed to absorb shocks and maintain stability on even the roughest surfaces. The adjustable front and rear suspension settings let riders fine-tune the ride according to their preference and load. A lightweight chassis combined with a balanced center of gravity ensures agility and control, whether on rocky trails or paved roads. Dual-disc brakes with off-road ABS give extra confidence during sudden stops. This combination makes the CRF750L a bike that handles both adventure and daily use with equal ease. Technology and features. Honda has packed the CRF750L with cutting-edge technology to enhance comfort and safety. The bike features multiple riding modes that adapt throttle response and traction control based on terrain and rider preference. A 5-inch full-color TFT display offers real-time information with smartphone connectivity for navigation and notifications. The inclusion of a quick shifter, cornering ABS, and cruise control adds to its touring-friendly nature. With all these modern updates, the CRF750L feels like a bike built for the future while staying true to its adventurous roots. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda CRF750L is more than just a motorcycle, it's a gateway to endless exploration. It combines the thrill of off-road adventure with the comfort and practicality of long-distance travel. Honda's focus on balance, technology, and performance makes this bike a strong contender in the mid-size adventure category. Riders looking for a machine that can tackle city traffic and mountain trails alike will find the CRF750L a perfect companion. It's a powerful statement from Honda that adventure is not just a destination, it's a lifestyle.